Good morning.
Good morning.
It's 9:17 a.m. We got here late.
50 miles away, sun is up all the way. Beautiful, beautiful morning.
Wish us luck.
Energy at 101. Confidence at 1,000. What you know about that? Fish out, fish
Take
out.
it easy, take it easy. I got the shit net, but it might work. The water is high.
Bro, that was heavy. It took the garage. I ran my fence and grabbed it.
I was at the end of the pier and I heard it.
Nice, hey, nice and easy. There's no
Hey,
rush.
take it easy. Take your sweet time. Yep, raise up at it and then reel down to it. When it runs, just let it go. Let it run.
There you go. You're gaining on him. You're gaining on him. There you go. Now you got it. buddy.
Hey, Mo, I got a shitty net, so you're gonna have to work with me a little bit.
I got.
It's alright, you're good.
Huge.
Oh, there's a cat.
It's a big ass cat.
Oh shit, I see it.
Mo, hold my hand.
I let go. It's fun, Elmo.
Oh man, that was.
Hey,
I'm telling you, I thought my line is gonna follow through.
It's a view. Keep going. I'm about to get attacked by these ones right now. Here, just hold it, hold the net, hold the net.
I don't know how, bro. Literally, you got caught.
Oh, this thing is wrecked.
You know what? If you want, just cut the line, but I can improve my lure. Alright. Yeah. There he goes. He's free. I didn't even catch him with my lure.
He just got caught on the line.
He got caught on the line.
oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh my God, that boy is funny.
Wow, oh, there it is. Oh, that's a big cat.
Bro.
That's a massive catch. I don't think that's gonna fit in the net.
It'll fit, bro.
Hell yeah.
Oh my
Yeah, that's a big boy.
A giant catfish, man.
Crazy picture, bro.
Whoa, this thing is taking drag. Oh, I gotta loosen my drag a bit. Wow, this one's a fighter. Wow, this one's a fight. I think this is the bass. This one's fighting hard. I think it's a big bass. Watch your hat, bud. Shit. That's a bass. That's a smallmouth. Come on, baby. Get it, get it, get it. I'm bringing it back. Let me grab the net.
Big smallmouth, bro.
Oh, that's a massive smallmouth.
Did you get any water on it? Yeah. Is that blood?
I believe he
Good stuff, man.
Wow, that's a
Eater?
beautiful
That's an
smallmouth.
eater?
Yeah, oh yeah, you can eat that. That's delicious. Smallmouth?
Ooh, is that a smallmouth?
That's a smallmouth.
Am I tripping?
I see it.
I know it's not a sheephead. Where's the pliers at? And on my backpack.
looks like he got bangs right there.
Yeah, you see that? And right here, look. And right here.
Are you gonna save it?
No,
keeping
no.
it? No?
No.
Somebody wants.
Just a
Yeah,
salmon?
somebody wants it.
I'm straight.
Just salmon and walleye, really.
Or saw a smallmouth. I hope he survives.
No, no, it's good. It barely hooked the gill.
Believe it. You want to take a picture of
Look
it?
at that, smallie. I got it on camera.
Let me get a picture for you, buddy. Look at it. Hell yeah.
I think it just spawned, bro. Look how skinny it is. Mo wants it. I don't want it. Thank you. Get out of here. Shoo. Get out. Wow, there's a bee in there. There it is.
Oh, we gotta get rid of the nice